In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 1v1 with your friends in Brawl Stars. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do over here in the main menu in the lobby is select the Friends option at the right side of the screen. Through here, you will be able to share your friend ID, as you can see over here at the left side of the screen, and add your friends. They can either use your ID to add you, or you can input their ID over here. Once you add each other, you will be able to see the request over here, the invites. Make sure you accept the invite, and once you and your friends are added in Brawl Stars, click the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and select Friendly Battle. From here, you will be able to turn off all the bots, so simply click on the icon at the top right corner of every single bot and invite one of your friends. As you can see, you will be able to go to friends and invite them from here. And after both of you are on the same lobby, you simply have to make it a solo showdown and select play. As long as you and your friend are on the same room and you team up to a friendly battle, you will be able to 1v1 them with any settings that you wish. As you can see, I have a bot, but this is because I'm only demonstrating the process. As long as you invite your friends, you will be able to 1v1 them inside of Brawl Stars. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 1v1 in Brawl Stars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.